بيا كمال كنور أونلاين تي في channel تكون كلام جديد بكون لينغوا سمه نما breaking news ريوج كيونتي ستيت بان راتشمه بان جلينكال كان كونور راتشمه مي جرام جديد كنور أونلاين تي في channel جو رجان وجندر سبسكرايب كدير notification بيال رجتوين كودي لارتي دي كان شامالا شوك جوا سدان بايك بريتش ان لار بكون لينغا كلار راو من يام دون ما يوم ما من شو رلات كي ملور لارو رنتما كيونتي ستيت ككورا بان ريد مشالات ود شالكا اتن وك اتن راجي شالات ككويكو جني داكرينغ مachar de janak kir mayadi tana kula jogono president kir tele permission magore medanak dakreng machar magore jeno dere dakreng machar dere janak de janak George so kana konen bukon kalat biajo ling yo badge play biajo kuleling gwaya bana ure ler kamana gor kon liang de kajan gwasme ana me men chitogre which ka unit state chala do chikume kir mayadit kel ke kume dun Uganda ke poinden kuma kirma yadid bo ala SSPDF shala do chikorcha tuogre wichin winemi shi kanere kontin la dine jani shi kan nuari shi kan kama ke nuar kontin tere which ke unit state ka do badanen shala ke jagwasame ano ko mele rode entame mi bej ka ta danen lenwa rodin ke jam ano ngai kona gwanu shikora linko take kurmji to ka warap kam ngwanen wore kana jang ka kor gwasan paiwe shikon mandana chore la chikan lar no te kokte shawo kwal ano ka do badane sha ngai ka jeke te okte shawo majan winemi chikon diala ling ano ngwanen mayom kanti chika jen shikanwa ka warap state gan lergu kon lingwa seme ka korga manana chala do shi neri kontin la jang de jane tin tere wijin winemi kel ke deni Uganda waken chika jien chicken ngane nuare chicken go bokaren yal ka do brana chala keja no alo ntama rewi ka mayom ka bintiu alo bokana ntama ka karen yal antomi no SSPDF kan UPDF kan ito kontin bokana ano ko dobe chaling no shi korcha tuok ano lane ito kono kwa target kan nuari chit kamangai kone ano god man ano name janda na tuok antama so en kuma jana name no youth kan dene jana la SSPDF kan dene Uganda la tiba nuari ba ka terrorize ke bikan kanak no kamen sha ngaje no shi kan shibo defense minister dung jane kwarken dang wandial shi kan lad no bikan war bikan kanak George no jene shi aling manana kwai jo no to kon le dang raw le ru bana linga do badanan shi kan lad keje en go wuri shi ala aten wek aten jene chikem yadi che permission che gor ko dara dare yagma cha dare janak so ban je linkel ko do badana chalat keja ana tana lingda ban je kula linga yo lar je to gen lit ka kor ba raji yo ba mandana chalat be nong ye chana eling
my mind want to say I don't coordinate it with anybody but maybe we know the same facts. That is why we were unanimous, with Minister of Defense, the Vice President for Service Cluster, the Chiefs of Defense Force, and all who is spoken in the funeral of General Major. When I said in English language, I said, the White Army, people were asking questions whether White Army has anybody who is communicating with them or anybody who actually owns it. And I said it clearly, if you people don't know who owns the White Army, it's Victoria Machar owning it. This is in English language, yeah? The same thing I said in Dinka. And I said if there is anyone to be asked in the court of law to answer this, is Victoria Machar. Are we blind or mute not to understand this? I did not talk about Nuer, as some of my friends within Nuer community wanted to suggest. I am the last person to speak about tribes, because I don't represent Dinka. When I was speaking, I speak my mind, and I was speaking as a Tanywaga, and my statement doesn't have the authority to be able to be seen as if I am connecting with the people who wanted to assassinate Riek Machar. There's nobody who wanted to assassinate Riek Machar. Riek Machar is under the custody of President Salva Kiir. President Salva Kiir watch him over 24 hours. He doesn't want to kill him. He doesn't need permission to kill him. If he was to kill him, he doesn't need permission from anyone. Riek Machar was caught in 2016. I was there in the office of the president, and I have seen the president covering him with his own body. Later on, something that was denied later on, that President Kiir did not do it. And I was there and I witnessed. So President Salva Kiir has been protecting Riek Machar, and he will continue to protect him. And I don't see anyone who is now willing to go back to war. And President Kiir said this several times. Finally, I was saying this simply because during the statement that the president has given, prior to the time General Major's body was actually transported to Juba, President Kiir said Victoria was talking to General Major and was urging General Major to surrender. And that is what I was saying in Dinka language. Can Major surrender to who? We know, even up to this morning I have checked, Major has never been a civilian from 1983 up to now. So do you want him to surrender to a civilian? That was big no. Even those who are still alive will not surrender to anyone. They will not surrender. But this country wants all of us. One Dinka, one Nuer, all the other tribes must be here in South Sudan. There's nobody who can take monopoly over the other. But I want our people to understand people clearly. I was not coordinating the death of anybody. I am the last person to coordinate the death of anyone. I am a civilian, and I don't control any army, only myself. So how am I supposed to kill somebody like first vice president? I want you people to take this one away from your mind. I have no reason to kill anyone. I want us to go for election. All of us should go for election. If you are elected, the president come and control the country, and we will still be your citizen. This is what I want to say as a conclusion. May God rest.
Gwa shiaje lingan jo danen che kwen gwasme dio je shiaje nen che man chala no jani Dr. Machar mugur ko na ka je kirma yadi tel mugur kirma yadi de tel permission mugur cherande teje na ga wal chen nak de je nak jani kir bone jarame dan ken Dr. Machar gwade dan ke 2016 ka do dan chelat ke je gwade che ken wari kan opera ka la kono rai ni shang ala jang rive india la kan ya kona jako biyen biawlo bikani kula attack mishawo hai bike bet bikanu kor chagwa yo mekan ngajen wo shudun chate dong ke sha bet bikani ya attack jan ta dan teten wuda me chola ten gwa ka ten jaram dan shanen akene den kontin kwa nang no kwa ja coordinate akene kon nakana nyok bi ngajen no tam right kone re which dan kayuntu state and go ci jang ken kel ke dich ni Uganda ano katina wa kuken mayom kanti kuken a bomb ke helicopter. They are using helicopter ke jan gwasmene ka kanede konin te kalwang ka ta dana liun were ke ja lerme janana gura de kaya and railway dan ka Unity State ka mayom kanti to korte ten chawra mo chaja lat ano Allah tishal ke twish mayadit community kan chicken national government chicken shol and go chicken military kan shol no nakaji mayom kanti ka tai chingani chigin ke jaki me cha hoken cha ko page kala kan jen babu ko nuar bukan ko nang nan na me ri me to ga ri win chal ke amol buma turale payam ken twish kante ka warab state ngo dan to retin so chi kan ji Uganda karin juri aleka ke kan gan chimte ngai kono no shi bogo wala bare which kan asir chi kan u bogon tonga mo bokan wari ngoda kana lad no ke jibone dang de ki ngum mite garam chi tes nien wala ngu chore lade kana lat ban men chala da jen wo shi korche tuok but ba update mu darian ba ku no ye loy kono ke bum kono konte lan wari ani biata ga mal ban je mu dien bye bye